Hello everyone and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, today I am going to narrate you a story and the title of the story is Birbal Did Justice. My dear friends, once there was a man and that man sold his well to a farmer. And when the next day that farmer came to draw water from that well, at that time that man said, "No, you cannot take water from this well because I have sold you the well and I have not sold you water." Then that man became unhappy, that man became sad. Means that farmer became unhappy, that farmer became sad, and he went to Akbar. He went to the Emperor Akbar and he told all the story to Emperor Akbar. He said that I have bought a well from one man and I have given money to that man. But now today I went to draw water from the well and that man is saying to me that I have sold you a well. I have not sold you water, so that you cannot draw water from this well. This water belongs to me and well belongs to you. Then Akbar called Birbal and Akbar told Birbal to give justice to this man. Okay, Birbal said okay. On the next day, Birbal called that man in the court of Akbar and Birbal asked that man that you sold your well to this farmer and now you are not giving water to this man. Is it right? He said yes, it is right. Then Birbal said to that man that you should allow this man to take water from that well. Then that man said, Birbalji, I have sold my well to this farmer, but I have not sold water of that well to this farmer, so that I cannot give water to this man. Then Birbal smiled and said, okay, you have sold your well to this man. He said, yes, I have sold my well to this man. Then Birbal asked him, you have not sold water to this man. He said, yes, I have not sold water to this man. Then he said, okay, if water belongs to you, then you should take away water from that well, because well belongs to this farmer. If you don't have to take away water from that well, then you will have to give rent to this man for keeping your water inside the well. Birbal explained that man that well belongs to this farmer. You are saying that well belongs to this farmer and water belongs to you. And that man said, yes, I have sold well to this man, but I have not sold water to this man. Then Birbal said, okay, now you cannot keep your water inside the well of this man. You can take away your all of water, but if you have to keep your water inside the well, then you will have to give rent to this man. You will have to give money to this man for keeping your water inside the well of this man. Then that man understood everything. That man realized his mistake and that man said to Birbal, Birbalji, please forgive me. I made a mistake. Now I don't want water of that well also. I will allow this man, I will allow this farmer to take water of that well, because I have sold well and I have sold water with the well to this man, but I was not giving permission to this man because I was playing a trick with this man. But now I understood my trick is failed in front of you. My trick has failed in front of the talent of you. That's why please forgive me, and I will not say anything to this farmer. I will give him permission to take water of that well also. And in this way, Birbal solved the problem of that farmer, and Birbal did justice to that farmer. Story ends here. My dear friends, what can we learn from this story? We can learn from this story that there are many brilliant people, and with the help of their talent, they try to deceive other peoples, but they don't understand that there are men in this world who are more cleverer than these men. They forget it. They try to play a trick and they try to deceive poor people. They try to deceive poor people with their intelligence, but they don't know that there is somebody who is more talented than them. They forget it, and that's why they dig a ditch for others, but they themselves fall into that ditch. So, what we can learn from this story? We can learn from this story that we should not deceive other people. We should not deceive uneducated people. We should not deceive illiterate people with the help of our talent. And we should help them in life. This is the moral of the story. If you like this story, please like it, share it, comment on it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. That's it. Thanks a lot.